What?
Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Delaware County, Randolph County, Northern Henry County until 1:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:25 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Muncie, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Selma around 12:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Parker City, Lissettville, and Blount'sville around 12:35 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Farmland and Modoc around 12:40 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Winchester, Lynn, and Union City. This includes Interstate 69 between mile markers 231 and 246. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana, Delaware, Henry, and Randolph. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Delaware, Indiana,